Palm Beach International Airport is set for a major culinary transformation. Over the next 2 years, all current airport restaurants will be replaced by a new lineup. The revamped options include local favorites like Roccos Tacos, Grease Burger Bar, and Tequesta Brewing Company, a Worth Avenue Marketplace food hall, new Starbucks locations, and several health-focused eateries are also planned. Restaurants such as Pistache French Bistro, Coastal Cask by Bullet Bourbon, and Havana Restaurant will open in Concourse C. Officials expect the phase project to be completed by 2028.